Hello. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Nidigonda Pavani from Tribati Basar. I would like to thank the Cosmic Tech Labs for letting me to get this opportunity. As you have mentioned in the mail about task, I have chosen the task number 2, that is Anagram Program using Python. Actually, I would like to explain what is Anagram. I will show you by sharing my screen. Anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters in both strings, except the characters can be, the order of characters can be different. For example, if I have like words like horse and shores. Horse and shores are having same number of words and same letters and the order is different. So we can say that horse and shores, those are two anagrams. And for the requirement you have given in the task, I have implemented a program using Python. I would like to share my Python program in my repository file. This is the program I have implemented in my GitHub repository file. In this program, as you mentioned in the mail, we'll be taking the list of words. In this program, I have implemented as those words are separated by space. You can make the words can be separated by comma or anything. For the default, I have implemented that those words are separated by space. We can also implement the program for words which are separated by comma. Just making a small change. I'll be changing the correction. I'll be make correction here. I'll be sending the repository link to your mail after making this video. In this program, I'll be making a anagram function that will be taking list of words, and these list of words are sent to a function, that is anagram. In this function, I will be taking a list of words and I will be making a big list. This big list will be containing the list of words which are anagrams. For knowing the anagrams of a string, I will be taking a string from the list. Every string will be transferred in the list. For making those words or anagrams to each other in a list, I'll be taking a small list for every string. For checking the words in the list which are anagrams to this given taken word, I'll be sorting those list of strings. I'll be converting the string to list, and after that I will be sorting those lists. Because the string can't be sorted itself, by converting the string into list, we can sort and we can check whether they are equal or not. By checking this condition, we'll become to know that those are anagrams or not. Here you can see I have taken other condition also, because if a string is already mapped to a anagram of other string, it is not needed to check again. So for that reason, if I found the string as anagrams to other string, I'll be making that position of string as 0. So that every time I will be excluding those words which are replaced by 0. In this way, I will be removing those duplicates in the output. So after finding those are anagrams, the word is anagram, I'll be making the position as 0. I'll be adding that word to a small list. In this way, every word is mapped to a anagram if they are equal in quantity and quantity of letters. And if a word doesn't contain any anagram, it will be directly added to the L2. Whenever the L2 is not empty, it will be added to L1. And here you can see L3 list also. This is where the useful case when we are having more number of inputs. Actually, this is not necessary. The reason why I have included this, if I have more input, if I get any elements, if I get any list of numbers, duplicates, I'll be removing that list. So I'll be taking empty L3 for every list in the L1. If it is not in L3, it will be added to L3. That means in this way, I'm removing the duplicates of list in the big list. Actually, this is not necessary. I'll be removing this part. I'll be sending the optimized code to respiratory link through mail, and I also will be sending this correction because you have mentioned that those words are comma separated. You can use this is for space separated. We can make any changes in the code. Those are whether maybe comma separated or space separated. In this way, I have implemented this program. I will show you how I get output in Python online compiler. I'll be showing the output in Python online compiler. This is the code I have implemented in the respiratory file. Here I have removed that part, that duplication removal part. Actually, this is not necessary. I have included. I will be remove that part and I will be sending the optimized code in the respiratory file. And also I have made here the change as required. The words are comma separated. So you can make any separated, whether maybe they are say space separated, comma separated, any slash separated. We can make any changes in the input format. So I have implemented the same logic here, and as you include in the test case, I'll be running the case. Here we can see that these three words are anagrams to each other. So they are grouped to each other, and these two words are anagrams to each other. They are grouped to each other. I'll be explaining taking by other example. Here we can see rat and tar. Those are anagrams to each other. And YTU, I have taken a random words. These are not the proper words. I have taken random words. YTU and DU. These are two anagrams. We can see there equal number of words, equal number of letters, and those are equal. When we sort these words, when we sort this string, they are equal to each other. So that's what we call anagrams. Anagrams will be containing two strings are called anagrams if they are containing equal number of letters. And other order can be any. And we can see WRY is not an anagram to anyone. So it will be single word. So in this way, I have implemented using a Python program. The time complexity will be like order of 1 because whenever I got it contains only one loop. So the order of logic will be 1. And I will be changing this thing and I will remove the duplication removal part in the respiratory file. So this is what I got through my program. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.